Hello everyone, this is OPPO 7X Ultra and last week I got new software update Android 15 with ColorOS 15. So in this video I like to share some new features ColorOS 15 with OPPO Find X7 Ultra. First of all, you can get new theme. Yeah, it's called Flux theme. Basically Flux theme animation are very good. And you also get some by default wallpaper and you can choose one by one, and you also customize on yourself like always on display on and off, and you also change the color and font. ColorOS 15 also offer you new in-display fingerprint scanner animation. Next you can get new charging animation. It look much better, and you also notice some animation app opening and closing and it feels so fast and smooth. ColorOS 15 you also get new icon pack. ColorOS 15 also give you new notification panel and new widget. In the widget bar you can get lot of widgets and you can customize on yourself. ColorOS 15 give you new airdrop features to another OPPO, Realme and Vivo smartphone. So you can easily transfer photo, video, file just one click. ColorOS 15 also come with the new AI features. ColorOS 15 also give you new dynamic island animation. When you play the music, you can get new dynamic island features as like has iPhone. And at the photo app, you also get new AI features like magic eraser. Okay, that's all about the OPPO Find X7 Ultra all new features ColorOS 15 with Android 15. That's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon and I will catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.